Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our B.G.S home school. This is Sonia Joya, teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift, Dhaka. Today I am going to take B.G.S class for the student of class 4 students. And now today's topic chapter 4, lesson 1, 2, 3 reading done and LPM. So my dear students, look at the board. This is class 4 subject B.G.S and our today's topic chapter 4 lesson 1, 2, 3 reading done and FBM and your lecture number 4. This is your teacher's name and this is your teacher's mobile number and this is today's date. So my dear students, let's start our today's topic. Look at the board and all of you guys open your book chapter 4 page number 18. Chapter 4, the rights of citizens. The rights of citizens. And first lesson is social rights. Lesson 1 is social rights. As a citizen of Bangladesh, we enjoy mainly 3 kinds of rights from the state. So, we mainly 3 kinds of rights from the state. These are social, political and economic rights. So, all of you guys underline this: social, political and economic right. So as a citizen from the state, we enjoy social rights, political rights and economic rights. So this is our rights from state. The rights which are essential for a healthy and better living are known as social rights. So this is what is called social rights. When you write the rights which are essential for healthy and better living are known as social rights. The state ensures these rights for all citizens. So a state ensures these rights for all the citizens and all the citizens enjoy these social, political and economic rights, and when our citizen living a healthy and better life, this is called social rights. So this is our social rights definition. Let us learn about some social rights from the following table. So in this table here are explain about social rights, So our first social right is the right to live. The right to live. This is our first social rights, the right to live. Right to live is important of all rights. Okay, so right to live is important for all life. For all life, right to live is very important. We all need food, clothing, a home, healthy care and security to live. For living we need food, clothing, a home, health, care and security. So this is our social rights, and the right to live is most important. Then second is the right to education. The second is the right to education. Right to education is one of the rights of each citizen. The right to education is one of the rights of each citizen. So it is the every citizen rights to need education. Every citizen should be educated for the development of the state. Every citizen should be educated for the development of state. Then our third social rights is the right to move around freely. The right to move around freely. This is our third social right. The right to move around freely. Every citizen has the right to move freely within the country. So we can move any place without difficulties. So this is our right. And 4, the right to religion. The right to religion. Whether we are Muslims, Hindu, Buddhist or Christian, we can practice our religious ceremonies. So this is also our rights, and every citizen can celebrate their all type of ceremonies. So this is their right to religion, and this is their social rights to right to religion. Then next, the right to language and culture. Next is the right to language and culture. It is a fundamental right of a citizen to speak in mother tongue. So this is our fundamental right of a citizen to speak in mother tongue. So this right also includes practicing own culture and enjoy festivals. So my students, this is our social rights. Again I am saying that the right to live, the right to education, the right to move around freely, the right to religion, and the right to language and culture. These 5 are our social rights, and all of the students, you have to memorize these social rights name, these 5 social rights name. Then our next lesson, lesson 2. Lesson 2, political rights. Political rights. First lesson we have already read about social rights, and lesson 2 we have read political rights. The political rights allow citizens to take part in governing the state by voting on various deeds. Again I will say, the political rights allow citizens to take part in governing, take part in governing the state by voting on various other deeds. This is the political rights. Here are 5 political rights that help to make a beautiful country and nation. So there are also 5 political rights as well as social rights. Social rights also 5 and political rights also 5. The first political right is the right to participate in election. The right to participate in election. This is the first political right. Every citizen has the right to vote in election from the age 18 and above. So age is 18 and above. They can participate in election at the age of 25. They can participate in election at the age of 25. Again I am saying, every citizen has right to vote. Every citizen has right to vote election from age of 18, and they can participate in election at the age of 25. Then next, number second political right is the right to freedom of expression. The right to freedom of expression. Every citizen has the right to express his or her opinion in the family, school and society. So this is her freedom of expression. Then number 3, the right to equality in the eyes of law. The right to equality in the eyes of law. The right to equality in the eyes of law. Everyone has the right to seek equal legal protection without any discrimination by race, religion, gender, color, and wealth in the eyes of law. So again I am saying, everyone has the right to seek equal legal protection. Equal legal protection without any discrimination by race, religion, gender, color, and wealth in the eyes of law. So this is our political right to equality in the eyes of law. And then number 4, political rights. The right to receive security. The right to receive security. So this is also our political rights. When abroad, if any citizen faces problems, he or she has the right to security from their own state. Again I am saying, when abroad, if any citizen faces any type of problem, he or she has the right to security from her own country or own state. So this is her right to receive security. Then number 5, right to individual freedom. Right to individual freedom. Every citizen has the right to do what they want, so long as it does not harm anybody else. So every citizen has the right to do whatever he or she do, but it is also be fair work, so long as it does not harm anybody else. So this is our also political rights. Again I am saying, our 5 political rights: the right to participate in election, the right to freedom of expression, the right to equality in the eyes of law, the right to receive security, the right to individual freedom. Again I am saying this line is very important for your fill in the gaps or matching. So all of your class you have to read this important line many times. Okay, so this is very important and you underline this line. Okay, so this is your important line, you can underline this line. And student, you have to memorize these political rights, or the right to participate in election, the right to freedom of expression, the right to equality in the eyes of law, the right to receive security, the right to individual freedom. On previous lesson you have to memorize social rights, and in this lesson you have to memorize these political rights. And our third lesson is about economics right. Our third lesson, or lesson 3, is about economic rights. The right to earn a decent living is called an economic right. Okay, the right to earn a decent living, the right to earn a decent living is called an economic right. The right is needed for a secured way of earning. The right is needed for a secured way of earning. Let us know about some economic rights given below. So in our living, in our standard life, we have to need an economic rights. The right to earn a decent living is called an economic right. The right is needed for a secured way of earning. In this lesson, we know about some economic rights. So our first right is the right to work. The right to work. This is our first economic right. The right to work. Every citizen has the right to earn from employment, business and the other jobs. Every citizen has the right to earn from employment, business and other jobs. So this is every citizen rights to earn from employment, business or other jobs. Second economic rights is the right to earn a fair wage. The right to earn a fair wage. This is our second economic right. Every citizen has the right to earn fair payment for their labor. So it is a very important right to every citizen to earn fair payment for their labor. Earn fair payment for their labor. And our third is the right to own property. The right to own property. The right to own property. Everyone has the right to acquire and enjoy own property. Everyone has the right to acquire and enjoy own property. So this is everyone's right to acquire and enjoy own property. Then last one is the right to enjoy time, vacation and holiday. The right to enjoy time, vacation and holiday, it is very important for every citizen for the refreshment of their life. Every citizen has the right to enjoy vacation and live wherever they work. So wherever he or she works, he or she needs vacation, and this is also their economic rights. So again I am saying our economic rights: the right to work, the right to earn a fair wage, the right to own property, the right to enjoy time, vacation and a holiday. So this is our today's topic, and my dear students, in this chapter 4 we have discussed social rights, political rights and economic rights. These three rights is every citizen basic rights, and every citizen need enjoy these rights from the state. And student, you have to memorize these social rights and political rights and economic rights. This is very important chapter for you. And here are some fill in the gaps from chapter 4. From chapter 4, fill in the gaps. We have 5 fill in the gaps from chapter 4. So first one is the right to live in one of the social rights. We have already read about this. The right to live is one of the social rights. This social is our gap, fill in the gaps. Every citizen of 18 or above has the right to vote. This citizen is also our fill in the gaps. Every citizen of 18 or above has the right to vote. Then number 3, for the development of the country, every citizen should receive education, and this education is our gap. Then number 4, as a citizen of a state, we get mainly 3 kinds of rights from a state. This 3 is our gap. Then number 5, we all need to go to school in order to improve our changes in life. This improve our gap. Again I am saying the right to live in one of the social life. Social right, the right to live is one of the social right. Sorry, yes, okay, it's okay. Every citizen of 18 or above has the right to vote. For the development of the country, every citizen should receive education. And number 4, as a citizen of a state, we get mainly 3 kinds of rights from the state. We all need to go to school in order to improve our changes in life. So my dear students, this is our today's topic, and all of you guys, you have to memorize this, fill in the gaps from chapter 4. So my dear students, this is our today's topic. See you again inshallah.